So this is easy to install. First thing you do is have a nice clean surface, any smooth surface. Some people like to put them on the refrigerator. So I'll give you an example of what you do here. Put a couple tabs of paint when you think you have it straight. Then put a hinge on that. The hinge makes it foolproof. Lift this up, remove the backing. Now you have a sticky backing. You should take a squeegee, credit card, piece of plastic, go down like that, off to the side, remove the tape, and there you have it. Gas for 29 cents a gallon.